AI or ML workflows, same core idea.
So wrapping up our deep dive here, it really feels like data integrity, especially using tools like Pydantic, is just fundamental. It brings that crucial structure to the uh, often unstructured mess of AI data.
Couldn't agree more.
And the result is AI systems that are way more reliable, more predictable,
Mhm.
and honestly, probably easier to build and fix too.
Mm.
Remember how we started wondering how AI deals with the chaos?
Yeah,
Well, now we see how Pydantic imposes that order.
that's a perfect takeaway. You now get how even seemingly free-form data can be checked against very specific expectations. It nips so many potential problems in the bud, leads to more trustworthy AI, ultimately.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's a final thought for everyone listening. Think about all the AI you use every day. Chatbots, recommendation engines, you name it. How many tiny errors, how many potential crashes are being silently caught behind the scenes by systems like this ensuring data integrity? What other invisible guardrails are keeping the tech we rely on running smoothly? It's definitely something interesting to ponder.